In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove this watermark from Google Gemini images using Canva. Okay, so let's say I have this image generated in Gemini and I want to download it. I can just go ahead and click on download. And as you can see, I have just downloaded it. So I'm going to go back to my Canva. Let me open my Canva account and I'm going to just drag that image into the Canva profile or the Canva platform. Yes, so you can zoom it to fill up the screen so that I can have my watermark that I'm interested in removing, this one. So once I select, I can go to edit and then I can use the magic edit, okay, which I'm going to use. Okay, so once I click on magic edit, you have the option to use the brush or to use the click button. So I'm going to use the brush and I'm going to increase the size a little bit and I'm going to come down here and just click. So this is the area, or to detect the area, I can enable also if I'm interested. And once I'm okay with this, I can just go ahead and say remove. Okay, so I can say generate. All right, and as you can see, it has just been removed. All the watermark had been magically removed, or we can just close on this. You can see right now we have our image without the watermark, so you can go ahead and download it. PNG, specify the page. Let me just say current page and say done and click on download. Now you have your image without the watermark. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.